starts with the eye. Within milliseconds, light, color, motion are captured. And just as fast, our brain begins to decode it. Shapes become meaning. Colors spark emotion. Sounds trigger memory. A great video isn't just watched, it's felt. Every frame crafted to guide attention. Every sound designed to spark action. It's not just about visuals, it's about rhythm, emotion, intention. It's about guiding the viewer from curiosity to connection. We blend storytelling with science, design with purpose, and sound with strategy. Because in a world of noise, your story deserves clarity. Let's make them feel your brand, not just watch it. At Mayavi, we don't just create videos, we build visual experiences backed by strategy and emotion to make your brand not just seen, but remembered.